Hello and welcome. This is Orlando Gonzalez, and today I'll be showing you how to onboard on our company. Okay, so very simple. First things first, make sure that you get the link that the person sent you or referred you. In this case, this person gave me their link, okay, and they referred me here. So if you don't have a sponsor, feel free to put this one. If you already have one, make sure you use the one that they provided for you. Okay, so in this case, this is mine, and where I want to go is right here where it says Join Truconnect Direct. So I click that tab, okay, click the tab, all right, oops, click the tab and hit join. Okay, and then right here where it says submit, you click that, and then right here on the top it will just confirm to see if that's the same person. All right, so in this case, yes. Make sure that while you fill this out that you pull out your social security card, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and just put a test dummy account, okay? It's not real, all right? So I'm just going to just put this for demonstration purposes, all right? Hopefully it goes through, that way I could show you on the inside. Let's see. All right, perfect. Give me 1 second. Okay, we're back. So I just put this information right here, okay? None of these are valid, so, but like I said, I'm just doing a quick test on it. All right, make sure you click right here. Make sure you read the terms and conditions. Read this, click here, and then you hit submit, okay? All right, so this is a test account, so I'm saving it, okay? So it says here, smile, I like that. You've successfully enrolled as a Truconnect independent agent, okay? So right here is going to give you some instructions, okay? Very simple. You could go either click here or you could go to your website here. It doesn't matter, but this is my alias, so please don't copy, all right? So anyway, you could print it for your records and then that's it. So you could check your email for the welcome letter. All right, it will have some important documents for you, so make sure you check your spam, also like your folder and things like that as well, okay? But you don't need to wait for it. If you could just jump straight to this, so I will do this. I will go click here. All right, click the second one. I'll take you, boom, to your page, okay? Now check this out. All right, we're gonna go right here where it says TCD zone, okay? And then we're gonna, oh, you see how I saved it already? So it has my account. Now I'm gonna hit login, and boom, there we go. Now this is pretty cool, okay? I love this company. It is freaking amazing. All right, so right here, as you can see, this is a test account. Most likely they're gonna cancel it, but I do want to show you how this works. All right, pretty simple. Okay, so this right here will be your agent ID. This is mine for this test account, but I just want to show you what's the next step that you need to do. I will have a tutorial that I'll explain each you know, everything in detail, everything that I know in detail, like the business tool, the reports, the resources, the store, the training. But right now we're going to go straight to the one that says training, okay? Make sure you read all this, okay? Make sure you read. I know I'm just running through it really quick, just browsing it. I've done my training a year ago. Here, I'm gonna copy the training password, which is Truconnect123. You click here, and then it'll take you to the training. But after you complete the training, okay, which it takes a few minutes to do. After you complete the training, then it'll take you to you'll get like an email like within 24 hours, and they're going to go ahead and have you complete a background check. And after you complete your background check on your email, then it'll take like anywhere from 2 to 3 business days, and you will get an email from agent support at truconnectdirect.com with your credentials. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and complete the training. I'll show you how it looks. So remember the password. It was Truconnect123. I'm going to go ahead and log in, and boom. So let me see. And then right here, you see all this right here? Says once you, exactly what I just told you. See? Let's let's see here. Once you complete a training, you will be required to complete a background check. Okay, you must respond within 3 days or the link will expire. So please keep an eye on that. Yeah, so I was right. It does take three to 5 business days actually. So if you don't receive by any chance the background check email, make sure that you email them right here at complianceescalations@trueconnect.com. Make sure that you email them. But let's see, what else? And that's it. So in this case, I'm from California, so I'm going to go ahead and choose California. If you're from Arizona, you choose Arizona, Colorado, wherever you're from. Okay, look at all these states. They're all right here. And they keep adding more and more. So, okay, so I'm going to join the one in California. And boom, it takes me to this website, trueconnecttraining.com, California. And then I have to click this image, okay? Have to click the image. Otherwise, you'll be stuck there browsing, looking for the continue, the next button. But anyways, you click this image, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and fill this out. So give me a second. Okay, I filled out test and test. Test is my first and last. Now, obviously, that's not my name, but I'm just using it as a test. Now, this, leave it as is, okay? Oh, yeah, it doesn't let you change it anyway. All right, now, do you remember the TC ID? Here, let me show you where you can find this, okay? So I'm going to go back to one of the pages, okay? Right here, you remember in the beginning when you first sign into your account, it says agent ID. This is what you want to copy and paste. So in this case, okay, and you want to go ahead and put that you're a new agent, okay, and the email that I use for this. So, oops, there we go, gmail.com, and hit submit, and boom, look at this. Remember, you need to complete at least 80%, okay, to pass to get your, they call it the OEP credentials. So hit TrueConnect Training again, the little logo, and check this out.
Welcome to TrueConnect's California Wireless Lifeline Service Training. Why TrueConnect? The state of California understands communication is an
So you get the picture, okay? Here, let me see if I could pause it.
Why TrueConnect? Welcome to TrueConnect's California.
No, I can't pause the video. But anyway, you get the picture. So once you complete the training, they will quiz you. They will tell you what to do, okay? So once you complete the training, you will be done. And you should receive an email to complete your background check within 24 hours. So I'll give it about a day or two. Well, that's it for the onboarding, and I'll see you on the next video, okay? On the next video, I will share, you know, the rest of the things that you will need as far as like preparation, ordering your SIM cards and phones and pitches and the CGM walkthrough, the SIM activation and all that good stuff, okay? I'll show you everything. Don't worry. All I just need you to do is just get the stuff done that you're watching. Don't just watch it, but get it done, okay? Trust me, you will make money if you follow my instructions, okay? Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.